Hi, my name is Venkateshwar Rao, and I am founder of Chai Amrut, and my partner name is Mr. Venugopal. We both have started this Chai Amrut concept. So personally, I have experience in management side, and my partner Venugopal has experience of 10 plus years in food industry. So we both have decided to started this concept. So the reason behind starting this concept is we have traditional chai points which are on the roadsides, and we have branded tea points which are basically, for example, CCD, these kind of coffee joints. So here on roadsides we don't have authentic taste or hygienic, and in MNCs like branded tea points you have hygienic and authentic taste, but the price is high. So we wanted to bridge this gap. So what we decided is we wanted to start a coffee shop or a tea shop where people can have hygienic environment and can have tea at an affordable price. So that is where we derived this concept called Chai Amrut. And this is a franchise business. We do provide franchises. So our specialty is pan chai, ilachi tea and masala tea. So generally when you see in the market, the ilachi tea or the masala tea, they generally use sugar-based syrups or sugar-based powders. But what we do is we prepare everything in-house, where you can get this authentic and fresh flavor. So when it comes to ilachi tea, we blend our ilachi in-house. So we procure ilachi outside and we blend it in-house. So you have this fresh taste of ilachi. For masala tea, we prepare masala in-house so that you have very good taste, like very good masala taste. And this masala tea is very famous in this Corona era, so like Corona time. And apart from this, we all know that tea is the second largest drink consumed in India after water. So coming to our franchisee model doesn't include any franchise fees. We only charge the setup cost. So why it is like this? Because when you have to pay franchisee fees and the setup cost and everything, it will cost you more. But what we wanted to do is we wanted to promote this business in a very good way, where our franchisee owners and we grow together. So that is how we have decided this concept. We only charge for setup cost, and the minimum requirement for this setup is 100 to 200 SFT. So 200 SFT would be very good, and we can set up both kitchen and sitting area. And we already there in Hyderabad at several locations. You can visit our Miapur branch, Ashoknagar branch, Manjira Pipeline Road, Aminpur. So we are there in many various areas, and the supply for these outlets are centralized, like tea powder and all. Center is based on centralized supply. So why we made the centralized supply is you can taste tea across all Chai Amrut outlets. It will give you a same taste. So there is no difference in the taste. This is because we have given a centralized supply. So we wanted to make sure that we are not just targeting one particular area. So wherever the people wanted to have Chai Amrut tea, it should taste same. So that is how we have made this centralized supply. Thank you.